going on, everyone? Home My Clothes, back again for another unboxing, and today we have a special one. I just got my glossy red LostArt Goon that I pre-ordered, so I'm pretty excited for this. It literally just came in like 2 minutes ago. So yeah, let's get this bad boy opened. If I can get it open. Oh, where's the tape? Oh, nice. E-cigarettes.ca, Albert Lee, great man, great company. He sent me a bandana. Sweet, thank you. Put that up there. And now this is what it comes in. I also pre-ordered this black and gold LostArt Goon from him. Came the exact same way. Comes in a box like that. Just an empty box. Let's see this bad boy. Ooh. Oh yeah. Love it. Ooh, got number 300 exactly. I don't know if you guys can make that out. It's number 300 exactly. Oh, nice. All black deck. There. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. There's not much to go over. It's a regular Goon. Well, not a regular Goon, but it's a glossy red LostArt Goon. But it's just regular Goon deck. Oh yeah. So yeah, that's it for all my clothes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good jazz. Comment down below if you have any ideas for future videos, or is there anything in particular you want to see unboxed or a review on, or like a coil build tutorial or anything like that. Just let me know down below. And yeah, so that's it for all my calls, and I'll see you all later. Peace.